Hey guys, so today we're at the Georgetown Marriott and I'm going to give you a tour of the lobby area of the restaurant and the sushi bar. So the last time we came to the Marriott, we walked through Kingston and ended up just at the entrance. And so this is a continuation of the walk through Kingston. However, we're going to do it inside the Marriott Hotel. And we're going to review the sushi bar. So there's a new sushi bar at the Marriott, and I haven't tried it before, but I'd like to know how it compares to sushi restaurants in other cities. And so I'm going to give you a review of some of the sushi items on the menu.
Oh, this is my day. I'm ready to take it on, come what may.
Okay guys, this is the sushi bar area, and we're gonna come back and get our sushi. Let me just walk around and get my stuff, and I'll be back. So this is the sushi bar area, the lobby, and we're gonna go get So this is the lounge area. I'm gonna get my camera here and head back over to the sushi area. So this is the entrance. Let's take a look at the outside. This is the entrance. There's an automatic door outside. This is the arrival area. Right, this is the arrival area. And we're going to head on over to the sushi area. So this is when you arrive. This is the entrance. And behind me is the lounge, the bar area. And we're going to have our sushi over there. So let's head over. Take a look at it. And of course, down the corridor in that direction, there are the restrooms and the dining area. So let's have our sushi. Good evening. I'm going to have a sushi menu today, and I'm also going to be reviewing it. Okay. So these are the sushi rolls.
Yes, sir.
And these are the prices?
Yes, sir.
Rolls. And so there is one per serving.
Yeah, it is one roll is coming with 8 pieces.
Oh, I see. So each one of this price reflects 8 pieces.
Coming with, this will come with one roll at that
Okay.
size.
Yes.
So we cut it coming with 8 pieces.
So do you have a recommendation? Can you tell me which is tonight's the special? Is there like a special for tonight?
Okay. I haven't like a special, but the raw things, raw fish also.
Okay. Yes, I don't mind the raw fish.
Okay, we have a salmon, tuna, we have snapper, we have shrimps, we have a crab meat.
All right. So I like the salmon.
Salmon. You like a spicy salmon? Yeah, regular salmon roll.
Regular salmon roll, which is it here on the menu?
Yeah, spicy. No, we don't have the menu, but if you want, I can make for you.
Okay, so give me your special.
Sure, sir.
So we're gonna watch the preparation of our salmon roll. So the menu actually is quite extensive, right? You have crab on the menu.
We have a crab stick. So
Oh, crab stick.
we don't have a normal fresh crab.
Okay. But you have the salmon, you have tuna, and you have snapper. Those are fresh.
Yes, sir. We have a plus tuna, plus shrimp.
Shrimp.
Yes.
Okay. So this that you're preparing me is from the ceviche. Which bar? This is from the which menu are you
No, I'll figure for the spicy
Oh, the
salmon.
special.
Spicy salmon.
So it is not on the menu.
Not on the menu.
Okay, this is great. Excellent, excellent. So we will see what the chef's special is tonight. We're gonna try the Sushi Chef's special. This is actually not on the menu, and it's a salmon roll. So let's take a look at what the preparation is going to be like. On the menu is snow crab, California. There's a vegetable, so there's also vegetables.
Yes, the vegetable, yeah, vegetable roll.
Vegetable roll, okay. And it's prepared in the same way, right? So 8 pieces for the vegetable roll.
Yeah, it's then coming with 8 pieces.
Okay, so we will try the salmon first, and if we have space, we will have room.
Sure.
We will also try the vegetables. I noticed there's also scallops and octopus, although also on the
Yeah,
menu.
those things is coming with the ceviche.
Oh, the ceviche bar. Okay. Peruvian ceviche.
Yes.
Okay. Are you from Peru?
No, I'm from India.
Oh, from Libya. Okay, excellent. Welcome to Guyana.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm doing a review for my New York and London subscribers. I have a YouTube channel, and most of my subscribers are from New York and Toronto and London, and they come to Guyana to visit from time to time. So I try to show them what they can expect to have when they come back to Guyana. Yeah, we're gonna have the chef special. While chef prepares our salmon roll, we're also gonna order maybe a glass of wine. What do you recommend for the salmon? Yes, is there some special beverage you recommend for the salmon to go with the salmon? Well, maybe I'll try some of the wine from the wine bar. Okay, so behind me is the wine bar, and we're gonna try the wine. I don't know what's on special today, but we'll try a glass of wine with salmon roll. And the preparation continues. So I think a disclaimer might be in order at this point. A disclaimer might be in order. I am not a connoisseur of sushi, so my review of sushi will not be a professional review. I've only had it a few times in New York, and so there's not much to compare it with. But I do know, I think, good sushi when I taste it. So we'll see how this goes. So sushi's now being plated. Okay, so in the meantime, the sushi bar is actually located on the east side of the bar area. This is a lounge bar area, and the sushi bar is actually located at the eastern end, and it's actually right at the entrance because it's straight ahead. In fact, when you come in to the entrance area, you come straight ahead, you'll find yourself in the bar area. And now sushi is thank you. So this is soy sauce. Sushi soy sauce. quite good. Thank you very much. So here, guys, is the sushi pieces. There are 8 pieces, and they come with soy sauce. 8 pieces with soy sauce. First, we get our chopsticks. And we'll try our first piece of salmon. Alright, this is our salmon. And salmon roll. Dip it into our soy sauce. It's very good, actually. Very good. The salmon is firm. And there's a hint of sour and salty from the soy sauce. And there's some sweets. What are these seeds?
The sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. So there's also some sesame seeds. So there is just a hint of sesame. Very good, very good. There's also cucumber. There is a distinct taste. Cucumber. We're going to try some wasabi as well. Not too much. And there's this ginger. So we'll also try and some ginger. Thank you very much. So in this bite we're going to get some ginger, some wasabi, and take it first in our soy sauce. And that's definitely delicious. Distinct taste of the vegetables, cucumber, the wasabi, the ginger, salmon, a mixture of flavors and tastes that are unique. In fact, only sushi brings out those flavors. So guys, this is very good sushi and highly recommended. And I'm not being paid for this meal. It's not free, so you can trust my review. In fact, it's honest, and it is in fact genuinely good sushi. I will definitely recommend this the next time you are in Georgetown. You can visit the new sushi bar at the Marriott. Very good. Just enough wasabi and ginger in that bite. And the rice is firm. Sticky rice is firm and definitely adds texture to every morsel. So guys, we're going through this very quickly, but it's in fact quite satisfying, and not the portion size is in fact quite adequate. So this is our first roll. It's very good. And this is? Oh, I see. So can you also give me the vegetable? So we're also going to try a vegetable roll. And go lightly on the wasabi. So this bite we're going to get everything in it. You notice there's ginger, there's wasabi, and assorted vegetables along with our salmon roll. So this one got a little more wasabi than previously. You can definitely taste the flavor. It's unique. The wasabi flavor is quite unique. And this is our penultimate bite. Each morsel is incredibly tasty. We're going to try the last one without soy sauce so we can get the flavor. So this is our last bite, last morsel. Guys, that was very good. I kid you not. In the meantime, the chef has prepared a number of rolls for all the patrons. So you get a chance to see what else is on the menu. And in fact, this is really genuinely fine dining here in Georgetown. I would highly recommend it if you are in this neck of the woods to come check out the sushi bar, sushi lounge here at the Georgetown Marriott. your name?
My name is Thupten.
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 Thupten. Ah, yes, Thupten. So I want to thank Thupten for preparing us this excellent sushi meal, and hope to see you from New York and London and Toronto when you are in this neck of the woods. So there you have it, guys. That's the sushi bar at the Marriott, Georgetown Marriott, and the total cost for that order was $2,850. In fact, less than $15, about $12 US. And I even got a complimentary sushi roll, vegetable roll from the chef, so that's totally free. So I got the whole thing, second order, for less than $12. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe, and later!